Alright, so today we will be installing Rally Armor mud flaps on my 2011 WRX.
Let's get started.
First step, take out the clips on the side skirt right here and it'll pop right out.
Yeah, it's two right about here. Just pop them out with a flathead screwdriver.
Alright, next step, you gotta open your door all the way and carefully you gotta
Pop this plastic piece out.
the side skirt out.
Oh, side skirt?
Yeah, slow kid, it's okay.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Next step is you're gonna want to take this piece out. Slowly wiggle it. Come out pretty easy actually.
Yeah, not bad. Alright, so next step, there's 3 clips. After you take off this little fender piece, whatever you want to call that, there's 3 clips right here. 1, 2, and 3 right there.
Yep. And just prime out with a flathead screwdriver.
I broke it. Tough.
Yeah. Alright, we cut the wheel so that we can get this clip. We just broke that one. And then there's one more down here so that we could pop the fender liner out this way. And we need space, the wheel is too close.
Yeah, it's easier. So all you have to do, see what the problem is, why I'm breaking them. I'm only breaking the outside of it. The thing's not broken. See, that's the clip part. What I'm doing wrong is I'm going like that, trying to pry it out. What you have to do is you just gotta wiggle it out a little bit, and you pull it with your hands. It's easier than that. All right, next step, we gotta pull this fender liner out
In front of the side skirt.
So just like
a little more.
Yep. So the whole thing goes in front, right?
Yeah.
Pretty sure.
Honestly,
I don't know.
is that it? Is it moving?
It's like,
Yeah, it's good.
that's probably good.
Leave like that, yeah. Next step, we're gonna open the hardware. Yo, Tom, open this.
That one?
Yeah,
That
this
one?
clip.
Yeah.
And you're gonna put it on an angle on that.
Just like that.
Make sure the holes are lined up.
Yeah. Well, while we're doing this, the blob getting washed. Yeah.
Pretty nice out for a winter day.
Yeah. Middle of February, it's like what, 55 degrees? Pretty nice. Alright, so right now his OCD's kicking in. And so he's vacuuming the leaves that are in the side skirt right now. Hey, look how clean it is. It's never been that clean before, right? It looks like it came right out of the factory. Alright, so this step, we gotta put this little bracket on, right onto the fender liner.
Slide this in front of the side skirt. This is gonna tuck below. This one down here is gonna be for the mud flap.
Yeah, so there's like a little extra.
There's no mounting point on the car. That's
Talking over me? You talking over me? Are you talking over me? You're dropping. You just dropped like.
I see it. Flathead screw.
You just. You're dropping the.
Alright, we're gonna put this through. Should we cut the wheel out of the way?
Right now?
Yo, do you know how to start it?
I don't know.
Just turn the key.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yo, the axle just fell out. Alright, we're good. Alright, now screw this in. What the? Okay, this screw's giving me a hard time. It's not going in. So we just put this clip into the bottom. This little piece of metal from this bracket that was hanging off, we put this clip into there. So now it's nice and sturdy. Alright, we're trying to put the clips back in, but Tom broke them all. But I mean, the fender line's not going anywhere, so it's good. I think the next step is to kick this side skirt back in. Yeah. So you want to put this metal bracket. This bottom one adjusts.
Yeah. It goes all like what?
It has it
like it moves in and out.
Yeah. So put it furthest in and then tighten it. Next step is we're putting this thing back in.
No. Yeah.
Yeah. There's metal brackets in front of it, right?
Mhm.
Both of them.
Mhm.
Well, the bottom one's on there. Yeah. Let me see.
Is that? I don't know if that's in. Is it? Yep, 1, 2.
Yeah.
It's in. That's good.
And then I think we're gonna put the side screw back up.
Yeah.
Let's go. Next step is to just pop this clip back in underneath here. Alright, so you see this clip? To put these in easily, most people just try to shove it in like that. Push. I took the flathead, popped this thing up, so then this could flex and come in easier for the hole. And then you push this back in.
Weird.
Which hole do you want?
Because
we only have one clip.
Probably it's the front. Which one's more secure? Probably the front one, right? Probably the most secure. Nick, what do you think? There's two. There's one missing. There's two. The one that's all the way in the front, or one? Yeah, probably for most security, right?
All right. Finally putting the one flap on. A washer, a small one. They give a big one. Use a small one. Put that first. Lock nut. It's like Legos, but bigger.
Yeah.
The last and final step is gonna be a small washer. No, small washer. And a short screw.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I didn't break anything either.
And then you're gonna put it in this hole. You have to do that? The little one? Yeah. Sorry,
How's it look? Let's sit.
Yeah, cut to the max. Cut it the opposite way. Let's see what it does. Oh, good. Yeah, I can get it now. Keep it there. Perfect.
Good.
Alright.
Put it back.
Yeah. Oh, the reason why he cut the wheel out was because the screwdriver's too big and I couldn't screw it. So he cut it to the right. So I got behind the wheel, screwed it in right away. Now we're just gonna tighten these washers up. I think it's a 11 mil socket. Yeah, go. I hear Nick. So that's not going anywhere. Got the first one in. So obnoxious.
So obnoxious. I gotta use it. Can't hear it. Can't hear it. Yeah, good job. We got the first multi bin.
Oh, it's on?
Oh, you want a soda? I got soda.
Ooh.
Oh, snacks.
Snacks. It's a new day. We ran out of daylight. As you can see, we figured we'd stop and not work in the dark anymore. It's getting hard to see all the little nuts and bolts and washers. So we stopped. We got the fronts on, and today we're gonna continue and install the rear. Tom is on his way. We're gonna pull in the garage. So we're also at my house, so it's gonna be easier. I have more tools. I have a jack and other stuff that'll make it a lot easier. And then we're also gonna be going to car meet later on tonight. So stay tuned. That's Tyler. Two clips, the one up here and up here, and we have one down here. We picked up two because me and Have extras of these. We only have one left. And now I'm gonna replace this hole and this hole with bumper clips we picked up from Pep Boys because we broke a couple.
How'd it taste? How's it taste?
Rocks. Not bad. Now we're gonna install the mud flap, which is right there, with these screws and the two washers that are in here. Two washers, two screws. I'm gonna use this 90-degree screwdriver because we're not gonna take the wheel off. And to get to this third one, you're not fitting a screwdriver between here. Unless you want to take the wheel off, you could. But we had this, so we'll get on with that. We don't take the wheel off.
It's lit out here. We're lit out here. We got the hatch, got the blob, we got another blob, we got the Evo, we got the Elantra. Hurry up. What's going on over here, bro?
So mud flap was like this on the street, that one was straight. You can see it from like the back, so I just loosened it. Since the hole in the mud flap's like an oval, it has adjustability, so I just push it in so that it's not cockeyed anymore.
Ah, that's sick.
You like that?
That's actually sick.
Is that for the shop?
Yeah, I'm actually thinking of keeping it in my room.
Is that crispy?
Yeah.
That's how many were there?
Yo, Adam, where are we going?
We're dipping, bro.
Are we out? I'm hyped. We got the whole gang here. We got Tom, Jack, Tyler, Joe, Nick, Kelly, and the Porsche's over there.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go. Holy shit! Yo, Tyler, it's nuts! Yo, from the outside, it's so much louder. That's insane. Rolling in now with everyone. Shut it up? Yeah, you can shut it. There she is.
There she is, dude. First meet right here. I'm so happy. Mud flap's on. She's looking good.
Oh, yeah.
Looking
so
nice,
much
looking
better,
thick.
Put her on her face. That was sick.
That's the
Light show. CV game. Send it.
okay.
Okay. I like that color.
That thing's crazy. Dude, that thing, love that.
Yo. Yo, it's snowing out here. Yo. It's snowing out here.
Vlog,
What's good, Mike?
What up?
Spence? Yo, what's good, bro? Shit's sick, bro. This meet's crazy. It just started snowing, honestly. Like a couple flurries. It's so cold. Thank you to everyone who showed up. This is awesome. For how cold it is, I can't imagine the meets over the summer how, like, when it's gonna be warm out. It's gonna be nuts. Big.
It's going down tonight. Shout out to DJ 5 and them.
Dude, the doors go like up on a slant.
Here on Hip Hop Mania section.
So nuts, bro. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Damn. Super's ahead of now.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, those are sick. See you, bro. Thanks for coming, yo. Yeah. Stay in touch.
Yeah. Set up that shoe.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, red ball, bro. I'm starving. Ready for Applebee's?
Hell yeah. I have to pee. I don't want to drive my car. I don't like sitting. Pissing me off.
Yeah, I mean, it's like 20 degrees out, so.
Yeah.
Boys are fucking buzzing.
Yeah. What the? Are you going out or no?
Yeah, I'm going out.
Alright.
My boy Tom's out for the first time in 20 years.
That's right.
True fact.
License last night.
True fact.
It was a month ago.
A month ago.
Yeah.
It's fresh in the game, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, you're driving, kid.
Yeah.
We're headed. Got the whole crew. You want to blow this car up?
I'm on a video now? There's proof?
Yeah.
Maybe.
You might want to blow it up.
Trying to.
We got the whole gang here. Just wrapped up eating. Now we're headed home. What a good day. Or night. So sick. Gas fill up. Yup. Take the first gas fill up.
That was my first gas bill.
Yup.